தமிழக மக்களின் நீங்காது நிலை கொண்டு வாழ்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கும் காவிய தலைவர்கள், கண்கண்ட தெய்வங்கள், புரட்சி தலைவர் மக்கள் திலகம் எம்ஜிஆர் அவர்களையும் இதய தெய்வம் புரட்சி தலைவி மாண்புமிகு அம்மார்களையும் வணங்கி தமிழகம் விளம்பர உருவாக்கப்பட்டிருக்கும் மாபெரும் அடிப்படை கட்டமைப்புகளை நாட்டிற்கு அர்ப்பணித்து புதிய திட்டங்களுக்கு அடிக்கல் நாட்டி வருகை தந்திருக்கும் பாரத தேசத்தின் பாதுகாவலர், பாமரர்களின் சேவகர், மாண்புமிகு பாரத பிரதமர் திரு நரேந்திர மோடிஜி அவர்களை, மாண்புமிகு தமிழக ஆளுநர் திரு பன்வாரிலால் புரோஹித்ஜி அவர்களை, மாண்புமிகு தமிழ்நாடு முதலமைச்சர் உயர் திரு எடப்பாடி கே பழனிசாமி அவர்களை, மாண்புமிகு சட்டப்பேரவைத் தலைவர் திரு ப தனபால் அவர்களை, மாண்புமிகு தொழில்துறை அமைச்சர் திரு MC சம்பத் அவர்களை, மாண்புமிகு அமைச்சர் பெருமக்களை, மாண்புமிகு நாடாளுமன்ற உறுப்பினர்களை, மாண்புமிகு சட்டமன்ற உறுப்பினர்களை, மத்திய வீட்டு வசதி மற்றும் நகர்ப்புறத்துறை அமைச்சகத்தின் செயலாளர் அவர்களை, தமிழ்நாடு அரசின் ஆலோசகர் மரியாதைக்குரிய திரு க சண்முகம் அவர்களை, தலைமைச் செயலாளர் முனைவர் ராஜீவ் ரஞ்சன் அவர்களை, மத்திய மாநில அரசுகளின் உயர் அலுவலர்களே, முக்கிய பிரமுகர்களே, பெரியவர்களே, தாய்மார்களே, சகோதரிகளே,
This is a great day for Tamil Nadu. In fact, we had seen the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has come here with a very hearty welcome. He was grandly welcomed here in Tamil Nadu amid Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi K Palaniswamy, Deputy Chief Minister, myself, as well as Tamil Nadu's Governor Banwarilal Purohit. We can see how he has been grandly welcomed. We are very grateful and we are very thankful that the Prime Minister had chosen to come here for inaugurating these important projects here in Tamil Nadu. I am sure that these projects that will be inaugurated today and the foundation stones that will be laid today will definitely help the people of Tamil Nadu, and with that I grandly welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Deputy Chief Minister O Pannirselvam.
பாரத தேவியின் தவப்புதல்வர், தமிழகத்தின் நலநாடும் தண்ணீரில்லா பிரதமர், பாரத பிரதமர் திரு மோடிஜி அவர்களை வருக 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 என நான் வரவேற்கிறேன். On behalf of myself, state government and people of Tamil Nadu, I wholeheartedly welcome the Honorable Prime Minister to Tamil Nadu and to this impressive event. No one other than the Honorable Prime Minister, the tallest leader the nation has seen in a generation, has a stature to inaugurate projects of such importance and significance in a range of sectors. I thank the Honorable Prime Minister for bestowing special attention on Tamil Nadu by being present here today. The warm and fraternal bond the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Modi ji shared with the late Honorable Chief Minister Puratchi Thalavi Amma is well known. The Honorable Prime Minister has done much to ensure that the memory and legacy of Puratchi Thalavi Amma is preserved in Tamil Nadu. The Honorable Prime Minister has been steadfast in his support for the efforts of Amma's government in Tamil Nadu. It is a great honor and privilege for me to welcome the Honorable Prime Minister to this significant event with folded hands. The Honorable Governor, well known for his rich experience and sagacity, has been very supportive to Amma's government and provided wise counsel and guidance at the appropriate junctures. I cordially welcome Honorable Governor to this function. The Honorable Chief Minister Thiru Edappadi K Palaniswamy has led a cohesive government that has been very effective and has not only ranked first in good governance but has also won the Best State Award 3 years in a row. I heartily welcome Honorable Chief Minister to this event. I welcome the Honorable Speaker, Thiru P. Thanabal. He has distinguished himself as a non-partisan and effective presiding officer of the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly. I also welcome the Honorable Minister for Industries, Thiru M.C. Sampath, who has supported the Honorable Chief Minister in making Tamil Nadu a leading investment destination. I also welcome all the Honorable Ministers, Honorable Members of Parliament, Honorable Members of Legislative Assembly, senior officials of the Government of India and Government of Tamil Nadu, including the respected advisor Thiru K. Shanmugam, Chief Secretary, Dr. Raju Ranjan, the Secretary Ministry of Housing, Thiru Durga Sankar Mishra, the Director of IIT Madras, Dr. Bhaskar Ramamurthy, and all other dignitaries. There are many leaders from political parties, including Bharatiya Janata Party and the AIADMK present here today. A special welcome to all of them. I cordially welcome all the representatives of the media. Above all, I welcome all the members of the public who are witnessing this function both in person, in the stadium, and on television and electronic media. Today, two major and long pending works in extension, renovation and modernization in the Kaveri Basin are being taken up. It has been possible to take up these works only because Amma's government, with the support of the central government, was able to have a Kaveri water disputes finally settled. The historic contribution to the state can never be forgotten. The Chennai Metro Rail project is a shining example of cooperation and collaboration between the central and state governments. With the Honorable Prime Minister inaugurating the Phase 1 extension, the entire 54 kilometers of Phase 1 will be fully operational. I also thank the Honorable Prime Minister for the announcement in the Union Budget for counterpart funding for Phase 2 of the project, which will bring the full benefits of a metro rail system to Tamil Nadu. It is also significant that the foundation stone for the Discovery campus of IIT Madras is being laid today. The late Honorable Chief Minister Purachi Thalavi Amma very graciously provided 163 acres of valuable land free of cost to IIT Madras for developing the research campus. Honorable Prime Minister is also dedicating to the nation today two major Southern Railway projects which will greatly improve the movement of both passengers and goods in Tamil Nadu. I thank the Honorable Prime Minister and the Indian Railways for these two important projects. The projects that have been inaugurated and launched today amply demonstrate the progress that can be made on a wide spectrum infrastructure, defense, transportation, and higher education when the central and state governments work together in a constructive manner. I am confident that preserving this spirit of cooperative federation and a constructive collaboration will take Tamil Nadu so much greater heights. Our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Modi ji is known as a disciplined, strict, and adept statesman, firmly and deeply committed to service to the nation. What we saw in Parliament during his emotional speech a few days back goes to prove that the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji is at the same time also full of empathy and kindness and never fails to acknowledge merits and quality wherever it is. It is very rare to see such genuine leaders now, and it is a great blessing for our country. Indeed, this is the best period for our state to make the best use of its genuine concern for the development of country and the betterment of its citizens. I firmly believe that the people of Tamil Nadu would not miss this golden opportunity and would surely continue their full support to Amma's government, as was done in 2016 to help Tamil Nadu to lead the nation under this cooperative federal setup. I once again thank the Honorable Prime Minister for having visited Tamil Nadu today to launch all these major projects. Once again, I welcome the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Governor, Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Speaker, and all distinguished guests who are present here today to witness this grand event. Nandri, Vanakkam.